Django template variables in JavaScript. When I render a page using the Django template renderer, I can pass in a dictionary variable containing various values to manipulate them in the page using myvar. Is there a way to access the same variable in JavaScript, perhaps using the DOM? I don't know how Django makes the variables accessible. I want to be able to look up details using an AJAX lookup based on the values contained in the variables passed in.
The variable is substituted directly into the HTML. Do a view source. It isn't a variable or anything like it. It's just rendered text. Having said that, you can put this kind of substitution into your JavaScript. This gives you dynamic JavaScript.
Caution check ticket number 17419 for discussion on adding similar tag into Django core and possible XSS vulnerabilities introduced by using this template tag with user-generated data. Comment from a McNeil discusses most of the concerns raised in the ticket. I think the most flexible and handy way of doing this is to define a template filter for variables you want to use in J's code. This allows you to ensure that your data is properly escaped and you can use it with complex data structures, such as dict and list. That's why I write this answer despite there is an accepted answer with a lot of upvotes. Here is an example of template filter. This template filters converts variable to JSON string. You can use it like so.
A solution that worked for me is using the hidden input field in the template. Then getting the value in JavaScript this way.
As of Django 2.1, a new built-in template tag has been introduced specifically for this use case, JSON_script. This URL. The new tag will safely serialize template values and protects against XSS. Django docs excerpt. Safely outputs a Python object as JSON, wrapped in a tag, ready for use with JavaScript.